Hi, so I have now Kenwood 7080. This is CD player from early 2000s. It has a nickname as a mask, and as you can see, why it flips. Um, Unfortunately, we was unable to put our Bluetooth module, okay, but you can always go buy on eBay external Bluetooth module for like, I don't know, 30 bucks or whatever. It comes complete with this plastic trim, which is extremely rare to find. Radio works fine. Let's try the CD now. Let's see how radio looks in the dark. This is two-color radio, I will show in a minute. Now it's a green one. Here's the red one. Okay. And the radio itself sounds amazing, amazing. I like those Kenwood so much. For video I'm using really shit one speakers, but they are alive now. Crazy how good it sounds. Okay, if anyone is interested in this radio, simply contact me or visit our website. This is for sale. And that's it. Just a second. Here it is. Very cool. Thumbs up, guys.